How to get Threads badge on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get Threads badge on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to get a Threads badge on Instagram, we first need to have a Threads account that is connected to your Instagram. So from in there, just click on Instagram right here. And as you can see, I have a Threads badge right here. So this is my Threads badge, and it will only appear once you have connected your Instagram account through a Threads account, or you have created a Threads account using your own Instagram account. So to do that, you need to head over to your Play Store. After that, click on the search bar. Search for Threads right here, and then download and install it, and then log in using your Instagram account. After you have done that, you will see your Threads icon right here, and you should see your badge. So if you click on the badge right here, you can see that it will direct us to our Threads account. So that will also do the same to your followers. So if they click on your Threads badge, they will be redirected to your profile on Threads. So that's the process. I hope you learned how to get Threads badge on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.